So kung naniniwala ka sa miracle, what you need to do is you have to still put in your effort. Yes, so kailangan mo din gumawa. Sabi nga natin na sa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So last week lang, this is a true story. So meron kaming compliant requirement na kailangan gawin from our client, and one of the employee has to complete it. However, hindi niya kayang pumunta. So ang ginawa namin, ko at saka nung boss ko, is we try to contact the team member, the employee, to still report kahit naka leave of absence siya. So ang ginawa namin, I tried to contact her, my boss tried to contact her too, until I think Wednesday ako. Tapos yung boss ko naman advised na she hasn't gotten any response from her, and sabi nung team member namin, nung employee namin, sabi niya hindi niya kayang pumasok kasi nga naka leave of absence na siya. So ngayon, I told my boss na boss, ganun talaga, I'll still try my best, but you still try to communicate with her and see if she change her mind. Sabi ko lang na she keeps praying, and one day, who knows if she change her mind. So ang ginawa ko is binigay ko na lang sa boss ko yung effort, knowing God will still do it. Otherwise kasi magpe-penalty kami and magbabayad yung account namin sa kliyente. I mean yung company sa kliyente namin for not complying dun sa kailangan gawin. So pagpasok ko, tanghali na ako pumapasok eh. So pagpasok ko, sabi ng boss ko, uy, then papasok daw siya. So sabi ko dun sa boss ko, o di ba boss, sabi ko sa'yo, you believe in miracle, trust in God. So how do you trust in God? You still trust in God, have faith in Him, knowing na you tried your best, you put in the effort, and totoo nga yun, God will do the rest. You don't have to worry, just consistently doing what you're supposed to do, never quit, and God will do the rest for you.